Okay, what are you going to show me today?
I'm going to show you the new Maratac 1 C-cell light.
Okay.
Which is very cool. So we're familiar with the 1D.
It's been around for a while.
Been around for a while. Very successful light. We're very happy with it. But we had customers who, hey, can you do a C-cell? And so there it is. There it is, the 1C. Same form factor, just smaller, about half the weight.
I didn't think about the weight savings.
Oh, it's a huge weight saving. These are the D cell batteries are huge. I mean, they're heavy, but they're long lasting. Of course, the C cell equally is nice. Has the holes for a paracord there if you want to put a lanyard on there. It has the 1/4-inch standard tripod mount for a tripod. Anti-reflective glass. It is not a submersible light, but it is waterproof. There's O-rings front and back.
Or water resistant.
Water resistant.
Okay.
And the nice thing about this, it'll run, there it is, we threw an Amazon alkaline battery in there, a C-cell.
Okay.
And comes with...
But it does not come with batteries.
Does not come with batteries, but it does come with a AAA holder. And the AAA holds 4 AAAs.
Wow.
And the output's brighter with 4 AAAs, of course. And we'll talk about that in just a moment, but that's pretty cool. So you could run this.
So this is actually a good little survival light. I can run it on C cells or
Yep.
AAA's.
Yep, and there's the brightness there. It's really
Okay.
bright. Low and high.
Do I need to get up on the wall?
Yeah, get up on the wall. So here it is
Okay.
on low with a double A's, and it's 40 lumens. And here it is on high with a 4 AAA's, and it's 650 lumens.
Wow, the camera shut down. It went so
it's
bright.
really
That's
bright.
good.
So that's super bright. The output voltage is a little higher when you run the 4 AAA's. Of course, and then we switch it to the D cell, or excuse me, I keep saying that, C cell.
C cell, okay.
C cell. And then 40 lumens again
Okay,
on low.
well, there's 40 lumens, okay.
And we're going to go to 490 lumens.
490.
Very nice. So that's cool. Let's see, the Reflectors is aluminum alloy. It has a slight orange peel inside. The emitter is a Cree XPL V5. I think we talked about the color temperature being 5500. And it's pure white.
Very white.
Very white. And the run times. Let's talk about the run times. On the C cell, on low, it's 80 hours
Okay.
at 40 lumens. And on high, it's 490 lumens for 5 hours. On the 4 AAA's, it's 19 hours on low. And on the high mode, 650 lumens, it's 2 hours.
Wow.
So it hemorrhages the batteries. But 2 hours is a long time.
2 hours is a long time.
Long time. So
with a really
I just
bright
think
light.
the form factor, because the size fits in your pack a little nicer, but just depends on what you're going to do with it. I use this as a walking light now, especially with the lanyard on there. It's pretty nice, and I like this light a lot. It has the red anodized halo on the top there. Pretty cool. And there they are. So that's the C cell and the D cell, but right now we're showing that. And it does come with the battery holder, not the batteries, but 4 AAA's, or you run a D cell like.
A C cell.
Sorry, I keep saying
C cell. Yeah. You're not used to this. This is a brand new product.
I know. Yeah, there's the O-ring, comes with spare O-rings. I'm trying to see if there's anything else I can tell you about. Anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching.